What if I told you that you can set up your own factory without leaving home and for less than you imagine? In this video, I reveal 21 surprising machines you can easily import from China to start a profitable business from your backyard, garage, or even a spare room. Each machine is designed to operate in small spaces with low investment and high market demand. We'll tell you how much each one costs, what products you can make, and give you direct links to reliable suppliers. Why China? Because it combines cutting-edge technology with low production costs. In fact, giants like Apple, Tesla, and Samsung already trust their manufacturing to that country. Get ready, because these machines don't just manufacture products, they manufacture real business opportunities. Let's begin. Number 1, nail making machine. Nails are essential in construction, carpentry, packaging, and workshops. This automatic machine can produce thousands of nails per hour with minimal investment and without the need for large facilities. The process is fully automated. You feed the machine steel wire, and it cuts it, forms the head, and sharpens the tip. The production cost of each nail is under 1 cent, while the sale price ranges between 5 and 10 cents, depending on size and packaging. The margin is attractive and the market volume is huge. Hardware stores, construction firms, online shops, and wholesalers are constantly looking for suppliers. This machine, which costs approximately $3,200, can even be installed in a small space, like a home workshop, and start generating income from the first batch. All these machines can be brought from China at very low prices. In the video description, I'm leaving the link that teaches you how. Number 2, metal roofing machine. Demand for metal roofing remains high year after year, especially in sectors like construction, warehouses, and residential projects. This machine works continuously. You feed flat metal sheets, and through a system of profiling rollers, they are transformed into roof panels with specific shapes, ready to install. It's a robust yet compact piece of equipment, ideal for launching a profitable production line with return on investment in a few months. The sheet cost is low and the final product sells with a healthy margin, especially if you customize colors or profiles. You can sell to contractors, construction companies, or individual customers seeking economical and durable solutions. The estimated price of this machine is $9,500, and it's an excellent gateway to manufacturing for the construction sector. Number 3, animal feed pellet machine. Animal feed is a product with steady and growing consumption. This machine transforms ingredients like grains, cereals, vitamins, and proteins into compact pellets that are easy to store, distribute, and consume. It's an excellent option both for agricultural producers who want to feed their own livestock and for entrepreneurs who want to enter the balanced feed business. It's simple to use. Mix the ingredients, feed them into the machine, and you get uniform pellets ready to pack. The value add appears when you specialize: organic feed, gluten-free formulas, blends for specific breeds or high-performance animals. All this lets you position yourself in more profitable niches. The estimated price is $2,800, and it can be operated in a small space, generating fast-moving product with excellent margins. Number 4, medical bandage machine. Although the medical sector may seem inaccessible, there are essential products that can be made with compact machinery and without complicated licenses. One of them is medical bandages. This machine takes gauze threads, weaves them automatically, rolls them precisely, and seals each unit in its packaging. It's a clean, fast, and very profitable process. Demand for bandages is constant and massive. Hospitals, pharmacies, clinics, first aid services, occupational health, and emergency kits require continuous supply. You can enter the market through wholesalers or sell directly on digital platforms and B2B stores. With an estimated cost of $4,600, this machine lets you produce at scale from home or a small workshop, positioning yourself as a reliable supplier in a high turnover sector. Number 5, wood pallet making machine. Pallets are invisible to many, but absolutely essential in logistics, warehousing, and transport. Every product that moves through a warehouse or truck rides on a pallet. This machine automates their manufacturing. It cuts the wood, assembles it, and secures the pieces precisely, delivering a robust pallet ready for industrial use. You can start with limited space, no industrial building required. The selling price per unit can range from $10 to $50 depending on size, strength, and wood type. Production cost, especially if you use wood offcuts or recycled inputs, is significantly lower. The equipment has an estimated price of $4,900 and can provide a stable income stream if you connect with warehouses, exporters, factories, or distributors. Number 6. Aluminum container making machine. The packaging industry is changing. Plastic containers are being displaced by more eco-friendly, safer options. In this context, aluminum has become a preferred alternative for brands and consumers. This machine manufactures aluminum containers at high speed through stamping and forming, producing trays, containers, and heat-resistant, 100% recyclable wraps. The premium finish and customization potential give the final product higher perceived value. It's ideal for supplying food businesses, bakeries, supermarkets, or ventures that want to differentiate with sustainable packaging. The estimated equipment cost is around $6,700, and its compact size allows operation from a small workshop. Number 7. Wire mesh fence making machine. Wire mesh is one of the most in-demand products in rural areas, construction, perimeter security, and agriculture. With this machine, you can transform steel wire into meshes with the thickness, cell size, and rigidity the client needs. The process is fully automated. Wire is fed from a coil, and the machine cuts, bends, and interlaces it without manual intervention. To increase product value, you can work with galvanized wire or apply anti-corrosion coatings. These upgrades let you access more demanding markets and sell at better prices. The equipment has an approximate price of $8,800, and its operation is straightforward, ideal for entrepreneurs serving contractors, farms, or material distributors. Number 8. Wooden handle making machine. Every shovel, rake, hammer, broom, or hand tool needs a firm, smooth, durable handle. This machine produces perfectly straight, polished wooden handles, ready to be assembled with the corresponding tool. It's an ideal business opportunity for those living near timber areas or with access to low-cost raw material. The key is selecting strong woods like oak, pine, or guava and offering different sizes depending on the tool. You can sell the handle alone or as part of a finished product if you partner with tool manufacturers. The machine costs approximately $3,500 and can be installed even in a small carpentry shop. Number 9. Metal scouring pad making machine. Metal scouring pads are high-use products for households and commercial cleaning. They may seem simple to make, but business success lies in the details. If the wire is too thick, it scratches. If it's too thin, it breaks quickly. Packaging and presentation also directly influence the purchase decision. This machine lets you make scouring pads with varying firmness levels and sizes to suit your local market. An effective strategy is to target small hardware stores, popular markets, cleaning businesses, or online outlets where margins are higher and entry is easier. The estimated equipment cost is $2,600, and it can be an excellent volume-based income source. Number 10. Green fence, artificial grass, making machine. When someone wants outdoor privacy and aesthetics without maintenance hassles, green fences with artificial grass are the perfect solution. This machine interweaves wire and synthetic grass fibers to form decorative mesh rolls that mimic the look of a natural hedge. The product is flexible, easy to install, and sells very well in markets like residences, cafes, schools, construction firms, or sports venues. It's priced between traditional mesh and a live hedge, making it attractive for those seeking beauty without high costs. The machine costs about $5,900 and can be run from a mid-size workshop with minimal staff. Number 11. Wire hanger making machine. Though wire hangers seem simple, demand is massive and constant. They're used daily in dry cleaners, industrial laundries, hotels, clothing stores, and homes. This machine automates the entire process. It bends the wire, forms the hanger, and cuts it precisely. If you buy wire in large coils, the cost per unit can be just a few cents, while the sale price allows a 300 to 500% margin. With volume production, it's a profitable, high turnover, low risk business. The machine's estimated price is $2,800 and it can be easily installed in a small space, ideal for continuous production. Number 12. Plastic glove making machine. Hygiene and safety are pillars in sectors like healthcare, food service, beauty, and retail. With this machine, you can manufacture disposable gloves automatically. Plastic film is fed in, the machine cuts the desired shape, heat seals the edges, and stacks the gloves ready for packaging. This product has high demand and fast consumption, ensuring steady turnover. You can sell to clinics, supermarkets, salons, or biosecurity distributors. The equipment's approximate price is 3,900 USD, an effective entry into disposable products with low production cost. Number 13, PVC faux marble panel making machine. Natural marble is beautiful but expensive, heavy, and difficult to work with. That's why PVC faux marble panels have conquered the market. They're cheaper, lighter, water and chemical resistant, and easy to install. This machine continuously produces these decorative panels, mimicking natural veining with an elegant finish. They're used on walls, ceilings, reception areas, bathrooms, or retail spaces seeking aesthetics without complications. It's a highly demanded product in budget-friendly remodeling and construction. The machine costs approximately $6,200 US and opens the door to modern, low-maintenance cladding. Number 14, die-cut handle bag making machine. Many entrepreneurs fail in this niche by not choosing a clear target or by forgetting that the value lies in personalization. This machine produces die-cut handle bags like those used in shops, boutiques, pharmacies, and delivery services. Unlike supermarket bags, these have a more elegant, functional visual focus. You can offer them in assorted colors or with custom printing for brands. The process is fast, and the final product is in high demand from businesses seeking differentiation. This machine has an estimated price of $4,800 US and can produce between 4,000 and 5,000 bags per hour. Number 15, compact non-kiln brick making machine. Making bricks without a kiln is now possible thanks to this vibro compression machine. It works with molds and vibratory pressure to form strong blocks without firing. This reduces energy use and required staff and lets you set up production even on a small plot. The resulting bricks meet construction standards and can be used in housing, walls, and civil works. With an investment of about $7,500 US, you can start a profitable mini construction plant, ideal for rural or peri-urban areas. Number 16, dog chew snack making machine. The pet market keeps growing, and dog chew snacks have become one of the sector's most profitable products. This machine transforms natural ingredients into hard or semi-soft treats, with varied shapes and attractive packaging. Unlike traditional kibble, these snacks are sold in small portions but at higher prices per kilo. You can enter niches like organic snacks, gluten-free, or functional formulas. The equipment costs approximately $6,800 US and is perfect for launching your own premium pet product line. Number 17, knitted glove making machine. Knitted gloves offer more protection and comfort than disposables and have multiple uses: industry, construction, logistics, agriculture, and household tasks. This machine automatically knits seamless gloves using cotton, polyester, wool, or blends. The final product is durable, reusable, and valued for its longevity. You can sell in volume to companies or customize models for hardware stores and private label brands. The machine's estimated price is $5,200 US and represents an excellent opportunity in markets where workplace safety is a priority. Number 18, silicone application machine for gloves or socks. Adding a silicone layer to a glove's palm or a sock's sole transforms a common product into a premium one. This machine applies silicone patterns that provide anti-slip grip and durability. You can make sports gloves, children's socks, yoga socks, or medical products. It's perfect for diversifying product lines and offering added value with little extra cost. The equipment is estimated at $4,200 US and can serve various niches with useful, innovative, well-paid products. Number 19, heat press for 3D fabric printing. Textile personalization is evolving, and this machine proves it. With a specialized heat press, you can apply films or inks that expand upon heat contact, creating three-dimensional effects on t-shirts, sportswear, hoodies, or caps. The result is a raised finish that grabs attention and adds value to the product. This type of printing doesn't require major infrastructure, making it ideal for home-based or small shop ventures. You can fulfill personalized orders, corporate apparel, or urban fashion collections. The equipment's approximate price is $1,200 US, making it an accessible entry into personalized fashion with high profit margins. Number 20, polyurethane decorative panel making machine. Padded panels are trending thanks to their ability to decorate and insulate at the same time. This machine uses polyurethane foam to create soft, lightweight panels with custom designs that install easily on walls, ceilings, or headboards. They're ideal for architects, decorators, hotels, co-working spaces, or any place seeking acoustic comfort and style. You can create collections with varied shapes, colors, and textures, and offer made-to-measure products for interior design projects. The estimated machine price is $5,800, an excellent opportunity to stand out in the finishes and decor sector. Number 21, industrial wood planer, commercial planer. Many small carpenters and builders lack the means to prepare their lumber for immediate use. This industrial planer lets you offer a highly demanded service, transforming rough boards and beams into smooth uniform pieces ready to work. The business model is simple and profitable. Clients bring their rough lumber, you charge per cubic meter planed. Plus, the sawdust generated can be sold as a byproduct for compost, animal bedding, or pellets. You only need a robust planer and a workspace of about 15 to 20 square meters. The equipment costs around $2,900, and you can generate daily income with low operating overhead. As you can see, you don't need a large factory to start your own business. These 21 machines can be the beginning of your home-based venture. Subscribe to the channel if you want more profitable ideas. And if you want to learn how to import these machines directly from China, the link is in the description. The time to start is now.